Here is the DJI microphone, and here is the receiver that you can get from JD, Amazon, Taobao if you're in China in just 14 to 20 bucks. And in this video, we will get to know how to use these two all together with this laptop. I'm using MacBook M5, but you could have any laptop, no matter it's Windows PC or Mac OS. Let's learn step by step how. First of all, take your receiver and locate Type-C port. Now, simply plug in. You see the lights are blinking now. Now, bring your DJI Mic Mini or any DJI you're using, power on. Once these both are connected, you will not see the lights are blinking anymore. It means they are connected now. So on your MacBook, you need to do one setting. And if you're using a Windows computer, you can also do the same setting. Go to setting, scroll down, and you will see sound and then input. Here you can choose input, any microphone, and in our case it is wireless mic, and output you can choose whatever you have. And if you're using a screen recorder, you don't even need to do this setting. Open any of the screen recorder you're using. In my case, I'm using 𝒂𝒂 screen recorder, and the review is in the description. In the microphone panel, you can see that my microphone is selected internal MacBook microphone, but I can now choose wireless mic, and here we are. If I bring this one closer to my mouth, and you can see the gain is there. Now let's record a short video. Record, counting, and here is our microphone. Now the screen recording is there, and I'm speaking in my DJI microphone, and I brought it a little bit far away. Now it's closer to my mouth, and if I turn off screen recording, you will see. Now the screen recording is there, and I'm speaking in my DJI microphone, and I brought it a little bit far away. Now it's closer to my mouth. That's very simple. Next time, if you want to use this microphone for any screen recording tutorial, teaching, Zoom, or anything, you can use it for Zoom as well. Or if you're in China, you can use it with Tension or VooV meeting, which is an alternative to Zoom. So go ahead. If you didn't like and subscribe, just do it today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.